Hello everybody, welcome to another little YouTube video. So I was attending my friend's wedding the other day and I decided to set up the camera and just film the getting ready process. So here's that, I hope you enjoy. So I'm going in right now with the NYX, the new concealers that everybody is talking about. I'm mixing two different colors for my foundation and blending that in. And now I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Cream Bronzer. No idea what color this is in. I literally got it for free, but it's my favorite thing ever. I put that all over my face basically, and then I go in also with the Milk Makeup Cream Blush. These are literally like my favorite things ever. Every day I put them on, just on my bare skin, and it gives such a nice glow and flush, like a natural flush to the face. So I basically use a beauty sponge, or I'll use my fingers, and just look at that natural glow. It's literally my favorite thing ever. Okay, now I'm taking the Benefit What's Up cream highlight and I'm just patting that in with my fingers. I'm putting that on my cheekbones, on my brow bone, on my nose, on my inner corners, on my cupid's bow, literally all the high points of my face. And then I go in with the Anastasia contour kit, highlight and contour kit. I go in with the banana looking shade and I put that on all the high points of my face to set the cream. And then I mix all three of the bronzer colors and I put that on my cheekbones, on my hairline, jawline, and I'm doing that also all over my lids. And taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking kind of a medium dark brown and just putting that on the outer corners and also the inner corners of my eye to give a halo effect. And I'm taking the Shimmery Gold by Huda Beauty and popping that right on the center just to give a pop of like bronzy gold, and then blending that out with just a big blendy brush. Now I'm pretty sure this is just a black shade from that same Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just running that through my lash line just to kind of help define my lashes a little bit better. And then putting some mascara on. I was going to put lashes on, but I could not find my lash glue for the life of me, so I'm pretty sure I just settled for some mascara. Bless me, my goodness. But yeah, I'm going with some more blush. This is a powder blush by Tarte, and I'm just putting that all over my face because the more bronzed and sun-kissed I look, the better. Just putting some highlighter on there. Okay, now to the hair part. So I was in a rush when I was doing this. I did not have time to do anything fancy, so I just blow dried my hair till it was like 90% dry. I put a Kenra volumizing root lift thing in, and it gave me a ton of volume, like a ton. So once my hair was like 85-90% dry, that's when I sectioned my hair off and I went in with my round brush just to kind of give the ends of my hair that like bend or like flip. So you can kind of see in this clip, I'm like rolling it up and I'm